have them.
From this bigger server, these casualties that are in the water, that's 5 kilometers away from where the drone is positioned at the moment. And really these are just 2 helmets that you can see in the big ocean, which is actually quite impressive.
Standing here with African Pilot and Airbus at a beautiful test facility in the Western Cape in front of Airbus's Flexrotor.
We're here today to showcase the Flexrotor, one of the drones that we produce at Airbus Helicopters. We see great benefits in this drone, in particular in the African context, thanks to its capacity, expeditionary aspects and modular aspects. It's the first event that we organize for the Flexrotor in Africa. It's happening here in beautiful Western Cape. And a great setup to demonstrate the full capability of this Flexrotor drone.
This drone is designed to be operated in a remote and a harsh environment. The takeoff and the landing are fully automatic, so you don't need to be a specialist to operate this drone. You can operate it at sea on a moving platform to perform the fishery surveillance, illegal activity surveillance. You can also operate it in the mountain, in the bush, in the clearing to take off in a remote place. And definitely the operational aspect is done to be operated even in a hot environment, cold environment. I know that your exclusive economic zone is very wide, so you can operate very far away with this drone. And the logistic aspect has also been taken in account. As you can see, we have this Pelican case, so everything is very compact, very easy to use. You just need 2 operators to set up the drone and operate it in around 30 minutes from the box to the flight. You don't need a load of spare parts for this drone. It's just an unconditioned maintenance. The only place that you need to replace is the engine, and all the rest of the drone, that's unconditioned. So really an expeditionary drone for very severe environment missions.
Logistics and supply of parts into Africa.
The introduction of the drone in our market is similar to what we've done with the helicopter fleet. We can imagine that they can be the customer buying its own spare parts and establishing a stock near its base, or we can do that stock or establish that stock for them at our facility in Johannesburg. This is what we've done with the H-125 helicopter at our facility near Johannesburg.
Nam-Binh, what are some of the commercial models available to different governments, operators, owners, private?
We have different setup, and this is working across the world. Either it's government-owned, government-operated, depending on their knowledge and expertise in operating drones, or it can be government-owned, contractor-operated if they decide to subcontract the operation of the drones, or finally, and we have that in other parts of the world, contractor-owned, contractor-operated. So it's purchased by the contractor and they sell the service to different government authorities.
Manned, unmanned teaming, it's critical in the development of operations globally, as we see in multiple arenas.
Yeah, definitely. Among Airbus Helicopters, we are very proud to have developed what we call the H-Teaming concept, collaboration between a manned helicopter and a drone. Right now, we are developing and we have already proved the capacity of our H-Teaming concept based on a tablet with a very simple human-machine interface, as easy as an iPad, a ruggedized one modem that you can implement in your helicopter. And thanks to this tablet, you will be able to control from any helicopter of Airbus Helicopter portfolio, any drone of our portfolio, but also, as we know that many operators, they have already purchased their own drone and they still want to operate them. This system, this H-Teaming system, will be compatible with other OEM manufacturers.
What is Airbus's roadmap for this platform into the African continent? Where are you hoping it'll be in 5 years from now?
We are clearly expecting to grow the fleet of Flexrotors or any other Airbus drones in the continent. We see a great potential for the missions that are either firefighting, anti-poaching and border control missions, but also search and rescue at land, at sea, combat SAR missions, to make sure that the drone is doing the tedious part of the job, and the helicopter can be sent at a later stage when the missing person needs to be rescued. The H-Teaming that Xavier was talking about can be a great force multiplier for the existing fleet, and we have quite a numerous amount of Airbus helicopters in the region already. So combining the drone with this compact, expeditionary and modular concept of a drone would be a force multiplier